Y ganyant gyroi'n sas an y lw chleisach. Rynnych y fan alopanach Costello hockey a lentau, agus chaneliad coidh von oersyn.
Started hockey at school when I was 9, just in PE. Started then also playing like the Saturday games and things like that against other schools, and decided, I quite enjoy this. I'll sort of start playing at a local club. So started playing at h-Alba, Edinburgh Hockey Club. It was the club that was trained at my school, so it was like, oh, makes sense. Joined them, and then sort of the rest was history. Really enjoyed the sort of team aspect of it. I was also doing athletics at the time, and just didn't sort of enjoy it as much being on my own, and got quite nervous for competitions and things. So sort of when I was 16 decided I can't commit to both. Hockey was sort of taking over a bit, and decided that's kind of what I would like to do.
Va sy'n artsgol nhw dy nochi dy galop y dosiach, agus a Cluinnidh yn snogaichge von a hirdwyd y chluicheadair an dwych.
It was all a bit of a whirlwind. I'd been involved in the Scotland indoor in the January, which was kind of my first time sort of being in and around the senior Scotland team, and then got the call up to go to South Africa and was quite overwhelmed and was just very excited about it, and getting to go out to somewhere as well that I hadn't been before. I remember sort of stepping on the pitch and being very nervous, very quiet, quite timid, and just sort of the girls in the team just said, just go out and do exactly what you've done time in, time out, like just enjoy the experience, and you're here for a reason, so just play, basically. And that's kind of what I did, really enjoyed it. And then sort of the rest is history, I guess.
Va mar fart yn skipa ai galapa y fwynig farpas Euro hockey I ga, dash an y dabi was yn neich diag. Agus hain dochus gyndurig yn skipa y toca lora as jewi yn bwy y sin.
I think we'd sort of set our sights on winning it, and I think it was very realistic for us to be able to do that, but we had to put in the performances, and the pressure was on us. But I think all of us just sort of knuckled down, focused on the job in hand, and just really enjoyed showcasing what we could do in front of a home crowd. And I think that played a big part, being at home. Like our friends and family could all come along and support us, and it was just a really enjoyable sort of few games to play in, and ultimately getting the win was the icing on the cake and the promotion into A division, which is kind of where we want to be playing and where we want to showcase and show what we can do to the world stage. So it was a really great tournament for us, and sort of taking off of that the momentum that we can bring in the next couple of years.
Chai I the tug son skip a vrechting son a Geamaichean Olympicach an Tokyo. A chadú di corm cluicheadair an arpish, gajera hair son skanoki the farke and nahurus.
I think it was bittersweet. I was I was a reserve, so yes, I was disappointed not to be in the 16, but there was still a possible chance that I could play. Unfortunately, that didn't play out, but I think given only being 23 going in the summer, I think I took up all the experience I could from just being in the environment and seeing what it was like to be at an Olympic Games. And if you'd said to me when I was younger, you'll go to an Olympics, you might not be playing, but you'll be there and you'll be in the village with all the athletes, I think I would have taken that. Obviously, when you're in it, it's obviously disappointing at the time, but to be that close, I think I was proud to be there and be given the opportunity, and overall enjoyed the experience of it, even if it was a little bit disappointing. But to be there and see the girls win the bronze medal and things like that, it was phenomenal. Like, I've seen like how close being there can make a team and everything, even if like everyone says it's the whole squad that counts. Ultimately, at the end of the day, it's the 16 who step on the pitch, who do play. And I've seen how the highs and the lows of that tournament bond a team. Like, I want to be part of it. I want to be on the pitch contributing through hockey, through what I've trained to do, not just being in the stands and supporting them as much as I can. It's motivated me hugely to actually be able to step on the pitch and contribute in that way. Yeah.
A siwig I noch go chéine de galapa ag na Geamaichean a Chomhairle an na Costa nóir an na 2008. Ha éimi is de gulachach is an Birmingham, agus ha iad vir is an feiking suring in skippe seo dhéanú.
Yeah, really looking forward to it. It's kind of like a home away from home type games. Like Gold Coast was great, but it was quite far for friends and family to travel. So I think that's definitely something that's exciting for us. Our family and friends will be able to come down and cheer on for the odd game maybe. And sort of, yeah, I think we're really excited. We're going out there with ambitious goals and things, and whether we achieve them or not, I think it'll be a great experience for the squad. It's the biggest kind of tournament that Scotland have, I guess, with the Commonwealth Games being the sort of equivalent to the Olympics for us. So yeah, I think we're really excited, and we've got a good block of training coming up with some games as well, so we can sort of start the momentum going early. But yeah, overall feelings really excited, and yeah, be a good tournament hopefully. I'm still quite young. I've got sort of more goals to come in the future, but yeah, looking back, I think like it's been a roller coaster of a ride. There's been some incredible highs and some incredible lows as well, but that's just part of your individual story. But yeah, it makes sort of the hard work and the sacrifices that you made when you were young, and even now, kind of worth it when you get to stand on the podium at the Euro Champions too, and get selected for things to represent your country, whether it's just a test series that's capped and just to pull on that shirt is a proud moment, regardless of whether it's a major tournament or not. Just to be able to say that I play hockey as my job I feel incredibly grateful to be able to say that. And it's, yeah, not just me getting the opportunity, it's how the past sort of paved the way for us to be able to do that as well. But yeah, incredibly proud of sort of what I've achieved so far, and hope to in the future.